Good morning guys, so welcome to our daily vlog. So this is my beautiful mother, and here's Erich.
Ang naong Eric, ipakita.
Yeah, it's a random day. It's Barangay Fiesta, annual Barangay Fiesta of Ginubatan, so Trinidad, Bohol. And I'm planning, it is, I think, is what they call Dispiras, or anti-Dispiras. So I'm going to make a vlog. There's an inflatable air castle over there. So last night I just didn't bring a camera, so I will try to record for it. So this is my 7-month-old baby, and yeah, I'm trying to make a vlog for it. It's 70 pesos. What do you call it? 70 pesos play, where you can play for 15 minutes. I hope that it will, at least 20 minutes to 30 minutes, but that's what the owner just allow to play. And yeah, so I'm also going to make a vlog for it. Hopefully you will enjoy it. So also in the day of the fiesta, the katadanan, as what we say in Bisaya. So I will also make a vlog for it. There's some sinulog, many visitors from neighboring barangays, and I will make a vlog for it. There's a basketball for inter barangay, as far as I know. So yeah, so we'll also celebrate sinulog, so something like that. And yeah, I will make a vlog for it. And right now, so it's early in the morning, and I have not yet have plan for now. So yeah, I'm in a quick vlog for 5 minutes, and yeah. So this is my bicycle, so I'm going to make a vlog for it also, because it needs to change an inner tube. So it's smaller tires, and its inner tube is big, so it's not good to put a bigger inner tube in a small tire, or something like that. And yeah, the sun sets, the sun rise, and I think it's 7 o'clock in the morning. And yeah, I just what they call in English, bantay. So meow meow.
Basa daw.
Ha?
Yan ang mga basa.
Why? Nag-vlog ako. This is
Sabi nang ito ko masaban na hindi ang sabi ko na amo nang igunito. Sabi nang di na ikaw na ay si barang dang man niya ang balang blaban di ay am nag-amo.
gwapong amo. Bulanong sano amo.
Sabi nang nag-video ba yan murag amo na may amo.
Lagi. Ingan din na Black American.
Tinday kalooy palangga oy.
So at may back is Sano Baning.
Amo ba sa mo.
He just stopped on his new project of landscaping the backyard because he gets sick. So sorry about the sun. So I'm recording with you against the sunlight. And yeah,
I wear a sweater because last night is very cold. I almost like this when I sleep. I like the centipede sleeping.
It's the same as octopus. So, so this is our table. You know, when instant, quick. Naman tani mong kuan. Gabi salida. Ang para ay bata eh. Dek kan sama.
5, 6,
Ibu taas nga namin.
7, 8, 9, 10.
What did you say, Father? Against the light man. O, klaro. Sige.
This water tank is my use before because I have a refilling water refilling business. This is the machine. This is the machine. This is 500,000 investment. But during the typhoon, the building was destroyed. And this one also is my service. This vehicle is my service, D-Max. Enter Blue Power. But actually my residence is not yet built. Not yet, I have no good residence because that type I have so many damage. Dapat tanaw rin mo sakyan. See that one? Those are my vehicles. Cargo truck, cargo truck, mini dump truck. Because I was a contractor. I have a pickup license. But I was not renew my business permit due to the politics.
Kaya ikaw.
Ha? Hindi na?
Na-issue ta na. So that's it for today's vlog, guys. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow also. So see you in the next video, and goodbye. Ciao.